Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can post as a group member on your on any Facebook group. Okay, so sometimes we notice that some post, but we cannot see the profile of that user who posted that. So how can you post this like this? So just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So now you have to choose any group, which group you want to post. So I'm gonna click this one and then click write something. Okay, here is, this is the thing. So if you write something like subscribe, so write something, subscribe the channel, so I write something. Okay, so if you post now, like here you can see the option. If you click here on post, if you click post, then it will be post and all the people, everyone will see your profile. Okay, but there is a option when you click here post anonymously. You can see it's post anonymously. So this is the icon, it's by default it's off. So when you post something, then everyone will see your profile. But if you make this turn on, like when you click on this, okay, when you click on this, then you'll get a notification or pop-up background anonymous post. Then you can something anonymous post help protect your privacy, so you can feel safe posting personal content. So just click I want to post anonymously, and now here you can see it's like a group member. Okay, so here you can see it's a group member. So if you post now, then other people will not able to see your profile, and they will see that group member as a group member. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.